In this video, we're taking a look at a product called BossFunnels. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my video review playlist. I'm ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, remember to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video where I'll be revealing my exclusive bonus offers for this particular product. Okay, before we get started on the sales page, I want to show you the bonus page button so you know what to click on to make sure that you're going to be cookied into getting my bonuses instead of someone else's. So here on my bonus page, it says click here to get BossFunnels now. So just use any one of the green buttons. And we're going to go over the bonuses at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page here. You're one click away from done for you funnels that get you free traffic and sales in 60 seconds, even if you're a newbie with no tech skills. And this is the truth. You can make commissions very fast because these funnels are already set up for you, okay? And these are converting sales funnels. Let me just show you right quick that you could see that these are the funnels that you're going to be using. We're going to just go over the first three here, and I'm going to show you those in the members area in a second, okay? But as you can see, 250 plus sales for this particular funnel for this product, over 1,000 plus sales for the Infinity product funnel, Hypnotic funnel, over 1,000 plus sales as well. So as you can see, these funnels are guaranteed to be converters, and you're going to be using these. Now you can also set up your own funnels too as well in there if you have your own product. So pretty cool. All right, so let's go over the sales page a little bit more in detail here. So you could click these buttons here to get started, but make sure you click my button first from my bonus page. It'll take you to the sales page here, and then you can click these buttons, okay? That'll ensure that you're gonna get my bonuses in the back end in Warrior Plus. So again, make sure to take note of the little timer here because the price rises every time this thing resets. So if you wanna get this at the best possible price, make sure you get this quick, all right? So as you can see, it's 3 simple steps. Step 1, grab the copy, of course, before the price increases, right? Log into the web-based app, as I'll show you in a second here. Choose a done for you funnel, and then just click go to get the free viral traffic, leads, and sales in 60 seconds or less. Some income proofs here. Now, I'm not going to read through this whole page, guys. Just going to breeze through here right quickly. You can go through this on your own time. I just like to go over a few points. And here's an important point to make right here. Even millionaires like Russell Brunson, Dan Lok, and Anaki use funnels. I use funnels, and you should be using funnels as well if you're not using them already. So let's go ahead and continue on. Okay, some more income proofs here. Okay, all the heavy lifting is done for you. Okay, 9 reasons why you must grab BossFunnels now. Go ahead and read that as well. More income proof. So world-class funnel builders are usually a monthly fee. So this is important, guys. If you want to get this right now at the cheapest price and not have to pay a monthly fee, go ahead and grab this today because these are usually designed to be monthly fees, and I'm thinking that he's gonna put this up as a monthly fee after this launch. So make sure you get this as a one-off price as soon as you can. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more here. So this is pretty interesting. It gives you a 180-day money-back guarantee, which is 6 months compared to the typical 30-day money-back guarantee. So pretty cool, right? And go ahead and check out the rest of the page, guys. So this product is actually put out by Billy Dorr, Al Cheeseman, and David Kirby. I do know Billy Dorr and Al Cheeseman, but we're not like really close friends, but they are my friends on Facebook. However, I do know David Kirby, and we chat on Facebook every now and again. So anything that he puts out, I usually tend to promote it because it's usually good. So that is that. Go ahead and read everything, guys. Some FAQs, and that's about it. So let's go ahead now and move on to the members area. Okay, so we're on the dashboard here. I'm going to briefly go over everything inside here, but remember, all the training can be found right here for everything to show you how to do everything and use everything in this software. Okay, so we're on the dashboard here. We'll see 4 boxes. This is the analytics section pretty much. So the first box will show the total funnels you have. If you added any new funnels this week, it'll show here. If you had total amount of leads in here, it's going to show here. And if you got any new leads this week, it's going to show up here. All right, let's take a look at the autoresponder section here. Okay, so keep in mind that the autoresponders is not built in to BossFunnels, okay? So you gotta have your own external autoresponders, but you can hook them up in here. So as you can see, there's connect to Aweber and connect get response. And I'm imagining that they're going to put some more connections in here of autoresponders in the future. I talked with David Kirby, and he assured me that there was going to be a way to connect your own autoresponder if you had one already on your server like I do. So that's pretty cool too. But right here you can connect Aweber and get response, and all you do is click these links. It'll allow you to log into your account at these two places if you have them there, and then you can hook it up. Okay, so on the next thing here is the funnels themselves. So as I said before, you're not going to see anything in here. You're going to have to build a funnel first. The funnels that you see here were created by review accessors. In other words, people that are promoting this product and have access to this review copy. So they added this in here probably to show in their demo videos. So that's why we're seeing this here. But to build a funnel, you just click on this button here. You can select the pre-built funnels in here, which I would recommend you doing, because as I said before, these are proven to convert into sales, guys. Okay, so the products that are in here is what Al Cheeseman has already set up. So you're using his high converting funnels. All right, you have opt-in pages, you have thank you pages, bonus pages. So to set these up, you would just simply select them, each one that you want within your funnel. So if I wanted this one in my funnel and I wanted the thank you page and a bonus page as well, I would just select this one, select that one, click that one, and then it's going to be in your funnel. So let me just show you right quick how. Do that, click next. You name whatever the funnel is. Hopefully nobody had this. I think they already had it. Yeah, you and to create more funnels, funnel creation limited. Okay, so I can't show you this because all these people already created all these funnels in here, and this is like the review access, but pretty much that's how you do it, guys. And like I said, he's gonna show you in the training over here how to do it step by step. So let's check out the leads here. So this section is gonna show you all your leads that you have. Okay, of course, and the training is right here. Okay, so in this section you have product bank. So these are all the product funnels that you're going to be using, guys. So you want to click on each one of these links before you get started with your funnel so you can have your affiliate links. So go ahead and do that. This will open in a new tab. Before it was opening in the same tab. So I contacted David and said, hey man, why don't y'all make sure these links open in a new tab? That way the members won't leave the members area and get lost. So they did that for you guys. So pretty cool. I like how vendors listen to people that are reviewing their products, so it'll help out you guys as well, right? Okay, so they're gonna have an upgrade button here. So if you missed any of the upgrades that you wanted to get while you was going through the sales checkout process, you can click here and you'll be able to get that. And of course you have the log out button. Okay, so that's going to wrap up the members area. Let's go ahead now and check out the upsells. All right, let's go over the upsells together here. So the front end is BossFunnels, the funnel builder for $17. So basically the FE edition comes with one-click done-for-you funnel builder, the software of course, and step-by-step tutorials and a case study. And this will let you easily deploy ready-to-use funnels that are customizable if you decide to make your own. And this all comes at a one-time price. So upsell number 1, this is the unlimited edition of BossFunnels, and it has unlimited funnels, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, and it comes with some additional tutorials. Okay, and that's $39. So for upsell number 2 is BossFunnels. That's going to be $39 as well. And this will allow you to unlock additional traffic features and more free viral traffic. Okay, upsell number 3 is for $197. That's where their team is going to deliver the done-for-you traffic and sales for you. Upsell number 4 is BossFunnel Reseller Edition for $39, and this will give you the rights to sell BossFunnels and keep 100% of the profits throughout the entire funnel. Upsell number 5, BossFunnels Luxury Edition for $197. Again, this is where their team is going to customize your funnel for you and put it on your own hosting account that you have already. They're going to include the setup of the autoresponder that you have already, and they're going to create custom squeeze page for you. And follow-up emails are going to be added to your autoresponder service that you have already. And you're going to get some additional traffic tutorials. So that is the Upsells. So now let's go ahead and check out my bonuses. Okay, so we're on my bonus page here. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down. Again, go ahead and just click any one of these green buttons so you can make sure you're cookied into getting my bonuses. Here's a demo video if you want to check that out. Another green button here. So bonus number 1, you're going to get my conceptual system. You're going to discover the double value ladder setup that I use to increase your earnings twofold. You're going to learn the system I use to turn other people's buyers into my own leads. You're going to discover the exact foundation that I use to funnel buyers like flies into my sales funnel and more. Okay, bonus number 2 is YouTube Cash. You're going to discover the right way to pitch an affiliate offer on YouTube. You're going to learn what to write in your YouTube descriptions to get better results. And you're going to discover the perfect script for your YouTube videos for creating the best profits and more. Bonus number 3 is how to manage your time wisely. You're going to learn how to use your time to your advantage by focusing on what is the most important. You're going to discover how to break up your time so that you get the most important things done. You're going to learn the best ways for creating your own system that will work for you so you get better results. You're going to discover how to create a planner to better organize your day-to-day work to be more efficient. And you're going to find out the secrets to growing a successful affiliate marketing business by creating the right audience. My bonus number 4 is Profit Funnels. It's a quick start guide to creating profitable sales funnels. You're going to discover how to amplify a typical marketing strategy so that you're able to maximize profits and build your tribe. You're going to learn the key secrets to creating a sales funnel that makes sense to your target audience. You're going to discover why funnels are not a one-size-fits-all approach and why not every niche or industry responds the same. And you're going to find out how to qualify traffic and separate the action takers from the tire kickers. So bonus number 5 is grow your business with funnels. You're going to discover how to set up your own funnels for optimum profits. You're going to discover how a funnel works for your opt-in capture pages. You're going to learn this one trick no one else is using to send them anywhere you want and more. Bonus number 6 is Fiverrly. You're going to learn the secrets of making 50 to 100 per day on Fiverr with in-depth video training. This was my first product that I ever launched. It was actually called the Flash Method back then, but I renamed it to Fiverrly to better match what the product is about. So you're going to discover how to sell the value proposition by understanding how to use Fiverr the right way. You're going to learn the best ways for creating repeat buyers on Fiverr by watching a live demonstration of me doing it. You're going to uncover how to use advanced features, set up a business, get verified, and get up and running quickly. You're going to find out the secrets of using trends and radar in on creating top converting gigs. So as you can see on Fiverrly.com right here, this is still selling live right now. So you can check that out. That's going to wrap up the bonuses here. Again, just click on any of the green buttons before this timer runs out, and you will be guaranteed to get these bonuses in your Warrior Plus backend if you pick up BossFunnels today. So that's going to wrap up this review on BossFunnels. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you make an educated decision on whether or not you think this is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnierokksmith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.